Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just giving a quick shout out. Hey girl, thank you so much for supporting my channel and being the first to comment on my last video. So today we are going to be using the square extra short nail tips. These, as you guys know, I do sell in my Etsy shop, and the link, of course, as always, is down below in the description box. So today we're going for a cute short snakeskin matte look. I'm going to be using transfer foil. If you guys have ever used it before, if you've never used it before, I'll teach you how to do it in this video. But all I'm doing right now is going in and sizing out my full nail covers. I'm just making sure that they fit wall to wall, and it's super easy to size them out. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me size out my nails. Okay, so Polygel for the day. We're going to be using To Be Glam, and this is style Sweet Talk. I love this Polygel color. It reminds me of Puppy Love by MAKARRT. That's definitely a dupe if you don't have this Polygel kit. And for our slip solution today, I'm going to be using alcohol. And I'm using this dapping dish that I purchased from TJ Maxx. Super cute. Love it. You see how it holds my Polygel brush there? So convenient. For my gloves, I'm going to be using these gloves that are also sold in my Etsy shop. I think I have one more left in stock. Actually, I think it's sold out. I have to restock these, and I will be restocking very soon. But it's very important you use UV protection gloves, because if you do your hands often like me, it can definitely be damaging. All the lights and the rays can cause wrinkling and premature aging. So this is super easy. All I'm doing is going in and filling the full nail covers. I'm not filling them up all the way. I'm bringing you guys in a little bit closer here. All I'm doing is flushing the cuticle area and tapping to make sure that the polygel covers from wall to wall. I would say when you're doing your full nail covers, you want to make sure that you're shifting it just to make sure that you're hitting the wall, because when you look straight down at it, it looks like you cover it, but when you tilt it, you can see that you have a little bit more room to cover. So just make sure you're doing that. This method is super easy. I don't know why people do like any other way. To be honest, if you're like a queen at shaping, go off. But to be honest, even if you are good at shaping, oh my gosh, this just makes life so much easier. Like if I were a nail tech and I did people's nails for a living, this would be the only way. But maybe not with polygel. I would probably do like Gel X, because I feel like polygel may be a little bit expensive for a nail tech. For a person that's doing their nails on their own, definitely not. It's definitely way more inexpensive than going to the nail shop and getting your nails done. But if you're a nail tech, I feel like acrylic would be less expensive than keeping up with polygel. I don't know. Let me know. What do you guys think? I have no clue, but I feel like it would be, because polygel is like a lot to buy if you need it constantly every single day. I would think it's cheaper. I would think gel polish or like the A-Brush Gel X method is cheaper. Anyway, who cares? Let's get back into the nails. Oh, actually, before I forget, I want to start telling story times while I do my nails. If you guys have any ideas beyond just like my story times and your story times, like, have you ever seen that girl Bailey Sarian? I think that's her name. She like does that murder mystery where she does her makeup and tells murder stories. Like, I kind of want to come up with my own concept, because I don't like just want to steal hers, but that's the idea that I'm running with. So if you have any ideas for me, I've been trying to brainstorm some, because I want to bring some new stuff to my channel. Definitely comment down below and let me know. But all I'm doing here is going in with some lint-free wipes and wiping my nails down. And then I'm going in with an 80/80 grit file. I purchased a pack of these off of Amazon, and I'm just shaping my nails before we begin doing our designs. So first we're going to apply our rhinestones, and I'm using the Beetles nail rhinestone glue, and I'm going to be using this daughter tool. I have no clue where I got it. It's just a wax tip daughter tool, and I'm going to be using these silver rhinestones. Probably purchase these off of Amazon, definitely. Check out my Amazon list, my Amazon storefront, because everything that I use is on either the Amazon storefront or it's on my Etsy shop. So definitely check the link down below. You guys can see that I was wearing a robe while recording this video, but I'm just going in with the smallest stones and putting them at the base of my nails. I love doing this. I just think it's so cute and so simple. I did a nail design where I just left it like this and just polished over it, which is so cute if you want to go for just a simple style. But we're going to jazz it up with a little bit of nail foil. So I believe I actually purchased this nail foil from Shein, believe it or not. Shein has some really affordable nail supplies. If you guys are a beginner and you're in need of like a lot of nail supplies, definitely check out Shein. But what I'm doing first is going in and I'm buffing out the cover of my nail, because you want to make sure that it's completely buffed out so the nail foil has something to stick to. I'm going to go in with the base coat, cure that, and then I'm going to go in with the nail foil. This is all by the brand To Be Glam. How funny. I didn't even mean for it to go about like that, and I'm just realizing that as I'm editing. But I'm going to go in with their base coat and their nail foil. To be honest, their nail foil is kind of whack. I don't recommend it. If you have something better or know something better, leave it down below. But this nail foil is just like kind of trash. It doesn't really transfer that well. You have to keep on sticking. So don't recommend the nail foil glue, but do recommend the Polygel, and the base coat and top coat is pretty fire. But I'm just going to go in with the nail foil and then apply my transfer. So as I said, you kind of have to go in and like play with it a lot. You have to reapply and keep reapplying it. It's just annoying. Nobody has time for that. So like I said, don't really recommend that transfer foil gel, but I'm just going in, playing with that, making sure that the full nail cover completely files over. So after playing with it, I edited all of that out so you didn't have to suffer with me. This is what our nail is looking like. I'm going to go in with their top coat and finish off my nails. I went in with my top coat for the pinkish nail color, and I decided to go matte with them because I thought it just looked like, you know, a lot better. So I'm going to do a shiny top coat on my snakeskin nails, and then I'm going to do a matte top coat on all of the other 3 nails. So last and final step, definitely my favorite, we're going to go in with some cuticle oil pens and just hydrate our cuticles. This is very important. I say it in every video, does not matter how cute your nail design is. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, oh no. So you want to make sure you invest in a good one. I do sell those cuticle oil pens in my Etsy shop. But here are my final results. Super cute and simple design, super easy as well. If you guys enjoyed, please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. All comments are definitely appreciated. Any ideas you have that I referenced earlier in the video are also greatly appreciated. I know I haven't been the most consistent recently, but I have no excuse. I'm just trying to, you know how YouTubers are. They kind of get in a funk but they come back harder, and I'm getting there. I'm coming back harder. I want to upload more for you guys and everything. So if you've been watching me, if you've been subscribed to me since day one, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys. I will be having a Christmas giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.